Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time. We're just coming up to 2 months in Argentina, and I finally have a bit to report. We bought a lot because we looked at a bunch of houses and we couldn't find anything that we like, so we wound up buying a lot, which is outside of the city, but like just to give you an idea, we live downtown. If I leave from here, it takes me about 6 minutes to get there by car, and the lot is 40 meters, which is 131 feet wide, by 100 meters, which is 430, if I'm not mistaken, 440, somewhere around there. And yeah, I think, gonna build a big shop there. I have to wait until our container with our belongings and all my tools and stuff hasn't got here yet. My understanding is it gets here around December 7. So I want to make sure that that happens before I start planning how I'm going to build stuff. But here, I show you the lot. I'll do a voiceover while that's running. But thanks for hanging out, and sorry about it's been a long time since I posted anything. But we gotta go through the process. But it's gonna start now. So here's a lot. Okay, so this was a whole property that has been divided. So, and one half of it is got a house and a pool, which is what you're looking at right now. So we're buying from to my right to towards where I'm walking right now. So I'm technically already in my side of the lot here, walking across the front, which is 131 feet, I believe, and it's got three massive palm trees that never been cleaned up. We will take care of that. There is this thing which I don't know what it is, but it looks pretty cool, and we're gonna keep it. This is a whole front there, and this whole thing is massive. You can see Kim already run forward there. She's all excited. This is like a little sanctuary thing. It's got like this massive trees, and uh, the video doesn't really do justice. I mean, the place is big, and I don't know. Um, we're very happy. That's all I can tell you. Here I'm walking towards the back. There is this massive opening here, which I will potentially put a massive shop back here. A shop with a bit of a house with a kitchenette and one bedroom and a washroom, just in case people want to come over. Over there, where you see the sunlight right now, that's more than likely where we're gonna do our principal house and the pool. And here is like walking towards the back, and it seems like the lot finishes there, but it actually doesn't. So now I'm walking sideways back towards the other half of the property, which I will show you after, because it's actually the whole other half is for sale. So and trust me, it's pretty cheap. So if you're interested in becoming a snowbird here in Argentina, the summers are great and the food is great, and you can have us as neighbors, but that's a whole other conversation. So here is about the edge of our new lot. This is part of it here. I guess it used to be like a garden. This is a massive fig tree, which is full of figs. And this area here is bigger than the lot that we had back in Canada, just this back part alone. This is a plum tree, which is full of plums. And these are all peach trees. There are 7 or 8. I didn't walk all the way back there, but those ones back there are full of peaches and they're beautiful. This is the other half. This is not my house. It's been divided. This is the other half that will remain for sale. And it's, just to give you an idea, it's less than 200,000. And this is bigger. This is 50 something meters by 100. So it has a massive pool. And I don't know what the house inside looks like or the condition because I had no access to it. I'm actually meeting the owners next week, but we signed all the stuff today. So uh, this is an old water pump, and here's a building. I think it's got a chimney. I think it's one of those places here in Argentina. They have these places where you barbecue inside. You light up a fire, and they have this kind of buildings. And this is the back of the house. Check out those windows. Those are wheels from horse and carriage stuff. It's pretty cool. So, anyways, that's the update. I will keep posting videos now. There's gonna be a lot, I guess. All this getting power in here and starting construction, planning, and blah blah blah. But anyways, thanks for being here. And if it's your first time and you want to follow our adventures, just by all means subscribe. If no, it's all the same. I'll catch up with you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.